During the Qing dynasty, the Han Chinese viewed the Miao and other non-Han groups as barbarians, living on the empire's remote fringes. The Miao were seen as primitive due to their distinct customs and isolation in the mountainous regions. Qing reports and artwork often portrayed the Miao as uncivilized, emphasizing their rustic way of life and unique practices. Over time, the Han believed that imperial rule was gradually civilizing the Miao and bringing them closer to Chinese norms. The text here reflects that perception, describing Miao customs and how they are slowly adapting under Qing influence. The text here is the introduction to the book, Illustrated Book of the Miao Barbarians, by an Han Chinese official who visited and observed various Miao tribes in southwest China in the year 1784. In all directions, spring begins with the pearl, symbolizing renewal. The nature and customs of various peoples differ due to their climates and environments, leading to distinct ways of life. To understand these distant lands, one must explore ancient records, where the climate is harsh, the land vast, and the people sparse. In these regions, people live in harmony with nature, embracing strange and marvelous customs. These lands preserve the simplicity of ancient times, with each village having its own character. I honor the emperor, whose rule extends far beyond the central regions, influencing even the most distant territories. All living beings naturally revere his moral authority. In the winter of the Jishan year, officials were sent to observe these distant peoples. They reported that the natives live according to their environment, with simple and rustic customs. Before the Ming dynasty, these people lived in caves and valleys. Over time, they were gradually influenced by Han customs. Their practices are mentioned in the histories of the Southwest, Han, Tang, and Song dynasties. The people live simple lives, using wood for tools, building huts, and living alongside livestock. Marriages are arranged after children are born, and they rely on shamans for healing. While their customs differ, they are gentle and harmonious, engaging in farming and silkworm raising. Under the emperor's rule, the people are prospering, growing closer to Chinese culture. This transformation shows the emperor's deep and far-reaching influence.